How to replace the PCV valve in your Cadillac CTS. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. The PCV valve is on the passenger side of the engine bay. We can see it right there with the white dot on the top, right here. We just need to lift this plastic cover off and then we can get to the valve underneath. There's a clip you need to push over before you pull up. See it here? I'm just gonna push over, then lift up, and it comes off. And we can see the PCV valve right there. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out with some pliers. So here's that old PCV valve, and here's the new one. There's the part number for it, and I'll have a link in the description. It's a really snug fit, so to make it a little easier, I'm using a 13mm deep socket just to put over it and tap it down. All right, with the PCV valve fully seated, we can go ahead and snap the top back on. And this job is done. If you found that video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.